Today, I'll show you how to lock tasks in Microsoft Planner. First, open Microsoft Planner in your browser, or open your Planner board inside Microsoft Teams. Sign in with the Microsoft account you use for your work or school organization. Now open the plan where your tasks are located. Before looking for a lock button, it is important to know that Microsoft Planner does not usually have a direct option to lock a single task. This means you normally cannot open a task and make it read-only for other members. If someone has access to the plan, they may be able to edit tasks, change dates, update labels, add comments, or move task cards, depending on their permissions. But there are a few ways to protect your work and reduce unwanted changes. First, check who has access to the plan. Near the top of the planner board, look for Members, Group Members, or the People icon. Click it and review the list of members. If someone should not have access, you may need to remove them from the connected Microsoft 365 group or team. If the plan is connected to Microsoft Teams, open Teams, go to the related team, click the three dots, and choose Manage Team. From there, you can manage who has access. Another option is to use task assignments clearly. Open a task and assign it to the person responsible. This does not lock the task, but it makes ownership clear, so everyone knows who should update it. You can also use labels or buckets to mark tasks that should not be changed. For example, create a label called Do Not Edit, Final, or Approved, then add that label to tasks that should stay the same. You can also create a bucket called Finalized Tasks and move completed or approved tasks there. This helps your team understand that those tasks should not be edited unless necessary. If you need a permanent record, export the plan to Excel or save a PDF copy. This gives you a backup of the task details before changes are made. So, to keep it simple, Microsoft Planner does not usually let you lock individual tasks. Instead, manage plan members, assign task owners, use labels like Final or Do Not Edit, and export a backup when needed. And that's how you lock tasks in Microsoft Planner. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.